Hello and welcome to my channel, How to Maths. This video will demonstrate how to use trigonometry to find an unknown side in a right-angled triangle. As you can see in this example, we've been given a right-angled triangle that has an angle of 20 degrees, a hypotenuse of 32 meters, and an unknown side x. When using trigonometry to find an unknown side in a right-angled triangle, our first step must be to label the sides. The longest side, or the side opposite the right angle, is called the hypotenuse. The side opposite the angle is called the opposite side, and the side next to or adjacent to the angle is called the adjacent side. I then recommend that you highlight the two sides that have information on them. So in this example, that would be the hypotenuse, which is 32 meters, and the opposite side, as it has the unknown x value which we are trying to calculate. This now helps us to determine which trig ratio we are going to use. So just a quick recap, we have sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent sides, which we can remember as SOHCAHTOA. Now, we are looking for a ratio that uses the opposite side and the hypotenuse side, as these are the sides that we circled. So for this example, we will be using the sine ratio. So let's write this down. Sine theta is equal to the opposite over the hypotenuse. We now sub in the values that we know. So sine 20 is equal to x over 32. Our goal is to get x by itself. Because the x is divided by 32, we need to do the opposite and multiply both sides of the equation by 32. This gives us 32 times sine 20 is equal to x. At this stage, we can put everything on this side of the equation into our calculator to get our answer. So 32 times sine 20 is equal to 10.94. Therefore, the length of side x is 10.94 meters.